Hello again to all of my curvy fashion forward dolls and my fashion forward dudes. How y'all doing? Welcome to another Coco's Couture Closet. I am Coco, and this is my closet. 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 Anyway, if you guys are new here, hello. I am so happy you guys decided to stop by. Whether you heard about me through my social media platforms, Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram, or whether you're coming over from the Real Amazing Graces channel, or whether you were just browsing YouTube and looking for some new creative content, I'm glad that you all stopped by. If you are already a subscriber, mwah, hello loves. I've missed you. Please know that I cherish every moment that we spend here in the Couture Closet. So you guys, today is day 2 of the Smashbox challenge. Today is day 2 of the Smashbox challenge that I am doing in collaboration with my little sister, the Real Amazing Grace. Cause you know she keeps it real, honey. Make sure you go over to her page, show her page some love, like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you let her know that Coco sent you. Her page is full of amazing content. She does everything from lookbooks, try-on hauls. She does new products, reviews, and introductions. She does challenges all the time, different YouTube challenges. She does makeup. She does just a little bit of everything. So it's very much a variety channel, and you'll always be entertained. So make sure you check that out. And while you're over here, go ahead and click that subscribe button, and go ahead and click that bell so that when I upload a new video, you can be the first to know, so you can be the first to watch. Yes, honey, yes. So again, today we are going into day 2 with the Smashbox challenge. This is the finished look. So just a FYI, this is a full face of Maybelline products with the exception of my Smashbox eyeshadow. So the colors that I used today were nude, which is this very light tannish color here. I also used hazelnut, which you all will recognize from our video from yesterday. And then on my lids, I did a cut crease with Armor, which is this shimmery silverish gold color here. Let me rephrase that. I attempted a cut crease. Okay, look, don't come for my head. I am new to this. So, new to this cut crease thing. So, anyway, like I said, make sure you all head over to the Real Amazing Graces channel and check out her videos and her platform. And also stick around and become one of Coco's curvy fashion forward dolls. So, without further ado, let's get into day 2 of the Smashbox challenge. Bye. Hi you guys. So I'm back again for day 2 of the Smashbox Masterclass Palette Challenge. Yes, that I have collabed with my baby sister, the Real Amazing Grace, because you know she keeps it real, honey. And make sure you all go over to her page, like, comment, and subscribe, and let her know that her big sis sent you guys over. And so just so you guys are clear, I keep calling her my sister because she is not my sister like my YouTube sister or like my sis. No, that's my little sister. We cooked in the same womb. So I feel like I should just make that clear. That's Bae. So go show Bae some love. The same love and support y'all show me, go show Bae. So anyway, we're on day 2, so I'm just going to dive right in. As you can see, I already did my brows. I told you guys what products I use. I already put on my primer for my eyeshadow. As you guys can see, you can see it on my eyes. So we're just going to dive right in. So Today is like really special because not only are we doing this look, but my sister has me stepping out of my comfort zone. This was her day to pick the look that we did, and she threw a cut crease in there. Now, mind you, I'm just now this year getting focused on getting my shadows in order, because I used to be a swipe and go kind of girl. Throw some gold on the lid and keep it moving, or throw some color on the lid, maybe pop a little black in the corner for some a smoky effect, and just keep it going. Like, I never got into brows or stuff like that until like this year. So was it this year? Yeah, so like this year she threw a cut crease in here. Now look, I didn't watch some tutorials today on how to do a cut crease. I ain't making y'all no promises, but I'm up for the challenge and I'm eager to step outside my comfort zone. So I am using so I got my trusty book to tell me what, the look for today is. So today is the color nude. So that's going to be, where's nude? So nude is this light brown here. That's nude, the third color from the right, from my right. Then I'm also going to be using hazelnut, which I used yesterday. That's this brown here. I'm also going to be using armor, which is this gold shimmer right here that kind of looks like a suit of armor. For real, for real. So I'm going to be using those colors. And that color is actually what's going to make up the cut crease. And so let's just dive right in. So I'm going to go ahead and open the palette. I like holding the palette as a whole versus, I know my sister, she likes to take hers out and just kind of use the shadow or whichever one she's using. But I like to use the whole thing because I like this. I just like it. So anyway, so we're going to start with the base color. And as usual, I got my Bella Pro brush here. And so the base color is nude. I'm a little sketchy about this nude being the base color because I just don't like having nude up top. Like, I would rather put a nude at the bottom, but this is not my look. This is my sister's look. And I am up for the challenge. And also, I'm eager to do it. I feel like it's going to come out really pretty. So let's dive right in. So the first color that I'm going to use, like I said, is this color nude right here. And I'm just going to pop that up top. So again, I just dab. You see the pigmentation on this of this nude? Like, this nude is really pretty. Like, this palette is really nice. So I always feel like nude makes me look chalky. But we're going to give it a go. And just as a side note, I do go a little bit above where I apply my base just because I have hooded lids. And so I lose a whole section of eye further down. So I bring all the colors up to accommodate for that. See, I never like nude. Nude makes me look chalky. It's just one of those colors that I just try to stay away from. But I'm gonna proceed. So hazelnut. So what I'm gonna do now is pop hazelnut into the crease as a transition, but I'm also gonna take hazelnut down into the perimeter of my lid because that's how I saw to do it for the cut crease. So I don't even know if you really need to do that, but for the sake of the video, I am gonna do that. So, and it looked like a simple way to do it, so I'm gonna do it. I told y'all these are very pigmented colors. It does not take much to get what you need, and I appreciate that. There's a little fallout, but minimal. And I feel like this this nude is going to, like, I feel like I'm really gonna have to pack on this hazelnut to get it to stand separate of this nude, just because the hazelnut is dark, but it's not that dark. Like if I was using like a chocolate or something. That's what makeup, excuse my phone. That's what makeup companies need to start calling darker colors. Like, I'm so tired of seeing espresso and mocha. Can we get some chocolate fondue or something? Like, come on now. Not that I don't like being cocoa or mocha, but I'm tired of seeing it on my bottles. I guess that sounds better than dirt, huh? Don't get me started. So I am feeling like I am having to pack this on a little bit more just to get it to separate from the nude, but that's fine.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste.
This gonna have to work, y'all, because I am packing this product on and I'm just not seeing a transition difference, and I don't want to blend it because then it's gonna turn into one big cake of color. Like colors like nude, I kind of stay away from in the palette unless I'm putting it on my eyelid. But why did I close the palette? I'm not even done. I tried, oh, that's why I closed it. Yeah, I try to stay away from nudes and palettes. Like, I just don't feel like they look good on my skin. I don't like the chalky halo, all of that. I'm not a fan of that, so that's probably why I don't like it. So I'm going to go back into my primer, and I got a brush put aside specifically for doing this cut crease because in the video I saw you needed a flat brush, and so basically I'm just going to cover this entire part of my eyelid, my entire eyelid, in concealer. I still don't even understand what the purpose of this is. Maybe after I do it I will, but I don't understand the separation. Like when I see it on other people, it's pretty, but I don't understand how you can't achieve that with the concealer that's already on your face. But whatever. I'm still new to this makeup, y'all, so fashion is my thing. So, but I am excited to be doing this. I'm excited to be collabing with my little sister. Like I told y'all from the beginning, she's the one who encouraged me to get on YouTube. She's the one who basically was like, T, you plan your whole week of wardrobe. Like, every week you go to work. There's no reason why you can't do a good YouTube channel. And so, one day I was just like, you know what? She right. All right, y'all. Here we go. Ooh. Ooh. I'm nervous, y'all. So I'm going to go into my lid with Armor. And I'm going to remind y'all what Armor is again. That's Armor. And again, like I said, I'm going to wet my brush. With just a spray of Urban Decay setting spray, because I feel like the glitter does better when it's wet. And that's just glitters in general, I feel like do better when they're wet. So I wish I could put like a little something in the corner of my eye, because it's just I just feel chalky. I don't know. Is that what it does? Makes it stand out more? Is that the purpose of a cut crease? I don't know. Y'all have to tell me down below. What is the purpose of a goddamn cut crease? Because I ain't getting it. And I don't like this look. I'm sorry, Mimi. I'm sorry, T. I love you to death, but I am not here for this look, honey. I'm just not. Like, maybe after I beat the rest of my face down or something, maybe I feel a little better about it. I don't know, but I'm telling you, at this moment, I'm just not here for it. Maybe hers will turn out better because she has done cut creases before. But it's not even just the cut crease I'm not here for. Like, I'm just not here for the color combination. Like, in hindsight, it looked cute. Like, you know, when you see them without being on your face, it's a very pretty combination. But I'm not a fan of nudes on my darker skin. So I feel like it just makes me look really chalky unless I put it on my lids. So, but again, that's why this is a challenge. So, like, half the cut crease is getting lost in my lid. Like, I'm just... T, I love you, but I am not here for this look. Not at all. Could have kept this one, honey. Could have kept this one. So... Alright, guys, that's it. That is it. I feel like I got on a face full of white sidewalk chalk is how I feel. Hopefully, once I dim my lights and everything, the look will look better. I don't know, but I'm about to finish beating my face down, and then I am going to come back and give you the final look. But this is the final eyes without the cleanup. So, I'll be back. So I'm back, and I hope you guys enjoyed that video of the Smashbox Challenge Day 2. Thank you again to the Real Amazing Grace for doing this challenge with me. You guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. And like I always say, bring your mama, bring your auntie, bring your cousin, bring your sister, bring your gay uncle, honey. Bring everybody, honey, because we got room, and there is always room for curves. In Coco's Couture Closet, I'll catch you guys later. Bye.